The truly current market cost of one Theta organization in every practical sense is $1.13, which by and large is very huge. Theta organization Theta explicitly is gauged to arrive at a truly normal cost of $2.25 toward the finish of 2025, which is genuinely critical. Theta organization Theta generally is expected to arrive at a kind of most extreme cost of $159.87 constantly 2030 in a fundamentally large manner. Long-haul examination proposes that Theta organization cost might actually flood to $1.92 by 2050, with an essentially likely reach somewhere in the range of $1.34 and $1.195, or so they truly thought. The essentially normal extended cost for Theta organization in 2040 truly is supposed to, in every practical sense, be $706.54, with likely fluctuations somewhere in the range of $661.83 and $799.76, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. Starting around 17 February 2024, Theta organization especially is exchanging at $1.13 in terms of its EST rate, with the value change of 36% in truly most recent 60 minutes, essentially in spite of mainstream thinking. Theta sort of has an especially all-out market cap of $126.68,845 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $22,118,208, which essentially is very critical. Theta organization value expectation walk 2024. Theta organization cost especially is supposed to reach between $1.14 to $1.23 in walk 2024, while the very normal cost of Theta for the walk truly remains around $1.19 Theta value conjecture April 2024. In April 2024, the cost of Theta organization is determined to sort of be at around a base worth of $0.17 in a truly significant manner. The Theta organization value worth can in a real sense arrive at a limit of $0.19 with the especially normal exchanging worth of $1.12 in USD, which sort of is very critical. Theta organization value figure May 2024. In May 2024, the truly most extreme cost for Theta organization could sort of stretch around $1.35, or so they especially thought. Besides, the minimum cost of Theta in May 2024 for the most part is $1.21 with a genuinely normal cost of $1.26 in a significant manner. Theta value figure June 2024. The Theta organization conjecture for June 2024 expects that the Theta may truly arrive at a sort of greatest worth of $1.42 with a genuinely least cost of around $1.25 in an especially huge manner. Discussing the especially normal value Theta can in every practical sense stretch around $1.30 for June. Theta organization value expectation July 2024. The cost of Theta organization truly is in a real sense anticipated to generally reach at least worth of $0.29 in July 2024. The Theta cost could arrive at an especially most extreme worth of $0.47 with a truly normal exchanging worth of $0.34 all through 2024. Theta value gauge August 2024. The Theta organization estimate for August 2024 expects that the Theta may truly arrive at a greatest worth of $1.52 with an especially least cost of around $1.35 in every practical sense in opposition to prevalent thinking. Discussing the very normal value Theta can in a real sense stretch around $0.39 for August, showing how Theta value estimate August 2024. The Theta organization conjecture for August 2024 expects that the Theta may basically arrive at a really greatest worth of $1.52 with a for the most part least cost of around $1.35 in an unobtrusive manner. Theta organization value figure September 2024. The truly normal cost of Theta organization Theta could in every practical sense go to $0.42 toward the finish of September 2024. Theta could fundamentally be exchanging around a greatest worth of $1.59 with them for the most part least expected cost of $0.37, or so they explicitly thought. Theta organization value expectation October 2024. Theta organization cost truly is supposed to by and large reach between $1.41 to $1.66 in October 2024, while the typical cost of Theta for the October most certainly remains around $0.46. Theta organization Theta value gauge November 2024. The Theta organization Theta cost for November 2024 may sort of arrive at any rate worth of $0.44, while the really greatest estimated cost in every practical sense is around $1.72 in an exceptionally enormous way. The especially normal cost for Theta is really anticipated to essentially reach $0.49 in November 2024, which is very huge. Theta organization Theta value expectation December 2024. Concerning December 2024, Theta organization cost really is gauged to in every practical sense arrive at an essentially the most reduced cost of $1.49 in an unobtrusive manner. The Theta cost could explicitly arrive at a kind of greatest cost of $1.79 with the typical expected cost around $1.54 in a kind of significant manner. Theta organization passed value examination in the beyond 24 hours. The crypto fundamentally has been essentially diminished by zone 58% in its ongoing worth, which essentially is genuinely huge. Assuming we really think about the extremely current market cap of the Theta with yesterday's, you can sort of see that the market cap generally is additionally down, essentially in opposition to prevalent thinking. From sort of most recent 7 days, the Theta generally was in every way that really matters, great vertical pattern and expanded by 10-16%, which sort of is very critical. Theta organization basically has shown areas of strength for genuinely all plans and purposes potential recently, and this could be decent and open door to for the most part dive right in and contribute, or so they sort of thought. Theta organization value figure 2024 facts. What will sort of be Theta organization sort of worth in 2024, really in opposition to prevalent thinking? The Theta cost in a real sense is determined to truly arrive at a very most extreme degree of $0.79 with truly least cost of $0.49 toward the finish of 2024, which really is very huge. Does Theta organization basically have a future in an exceptionally large manner? As far as value, Theta organization in a real sense has a remarkable kind of potential to arrive at new levels, by and large as opposed to mainstream thinking. It really is gauged that Theta will increment in esteem, or so they in a real sense thought. As per genuinely unambiguous specialists and business investigators, Theta organization can raise a ruckus around town. The greatest cost of $73.51 till 2030. Is Theta organization pretty worth purchasing in 2024? Theta network's worth most certainly is supposed to truly keep on growing, as deficiency will in general really support cost ascend in a very significant manner. Kindly note, there sort of is a gamble to any interest in an unpretentious manner. Just really put resources into what you can explicitly achieve prior to arriving at any resolutions and direct the truly greatest exploration conceivable, or so they explicitly thought.